It's sci-fi meets medical science. An Israeli medical startup claims it can literally blast away tumors by freezing them with a cold liquid. Here with more is the CEO of IceCure Medical, Eyal Shamir. Hey, hello, Eyal.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. A very big week in the new discoveries and new things being discovered about possibly leading to a cure for cancer. What is unique about this, and why is this something so promising now?
Yeah, we developed the most advanced liquid nitrogen cryoablation, freezing ablation, as part of a minimally invasive solution to kill cancer instead of surgical removal. And what we mainly developed is the breast cancer treatment, which until now the only standard of care is surgical removal, even for an early stage breast cancer.
So will this replace the need for exploratory surgery?
Yeah, it will be an alternative, and at least the medical leaders, the medical societies, especially in the US, but not only, believe that the minimally invasive solution, especially for early stage, which according to them, 62% of the tumors are less than 2 centimeters, and most of them considered as early stage, especially in those countries with a good early detection. So instead of surgical removal, high cost, the patient, the ladies, losing important part of the breast, we are offering in-office treatment, minimally invasive solution, less than 40 minutes, and then the patient could home.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you guys have already seen results, trials in Japan. There was not a recurrence. Like, we're actually already seeing success
in Japan and in the US. In Japan, one of the leading doctors here did until today almost 400 cases with a recurrence rate less than 1%. And in the US, we are now finishing our clinical study, 18 sites. It's a multi-site study. 208 patients, and as of now, the initial results is less than 1%. One case of recurrence out of 146 with the follow-up that we have at the moment.
It's really just so promising. And how far are we from, being able to, perform more clinical trials, here in Israel and in the US?
In Israel, we started in one of the hospitals in the north, in Haifa. They are doing, at the moment, breast benign tumors, the fibroadenoma, which is more common to ladies from 15 to 35 instead of a surgery. We did the case 2 weeks ago. 40 minutes later, the patient walk on her feet to the parking lot, drive back home by herself, not like doing a surgical removal in operating room. And in the US, we're starting to do it. We have an FDA, CE, and many other countries' approval. The cost is much less, something like 4,000 US to compare of 15 to 20,000.
Let's take a look at a small clip explaining.
He numbed the whole area, and then I felt the push of the tube that he had in his hands going inside. And that's all. It didn't hurt.
It's so profound to hear people being able to talk about it and already having some sort of success. How will it be developed to be able to apply to other kinds of tumors and other kinds of cancers?
Yes. We are also treating other tumors as part of interventional oncology, kidney cancer, lung cancer, bone, liver, and soon we will start prostate as well.
Amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you.